Hey y'all, this is Vanity. So I am back with a new look and I am so feeling it. Okay, so I haven't rocked the bob in a very long time, and today I created these curls using this flat iron that I got from an Amazon seller, and y'all would not believe me when I say it is only $20. $20. It is so pretty. This is the prettiest flat iron I own, honestly, and one of the best, to be honest with you. So this flat iron is not ceramic. It's a, you know, basic flat iron. It goes from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the standard flat iron temperatures. Okay, so it does have everything right here on the inside, so that when you are doing your hair, you're not hitting any buttons, turning the temperature, or turning the flat iron off. It has an on and an off switch on the inside as well. Very sleek, white, and your hair glides through these plates like no other. My hair did not get caught, not once. It has like a very smooth plate. This is the smoothest plate that I own, honestly. I really love the way my hair just literally just slid through like butter. So like I was saying, this flat iron is only $20. This flat iron is so affordable that you don't even need a coupon code. None of the flat irons that I have in my whole entire collection are $20. Okay, so if you're looking for a good flat iron and a bomb option, I definitely would recommend this flat iron. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I took my hair from, like, you know, a straight bob to this look. And this is very grown and sexy, in my opinion. You know, something very unique for me. I haven't curled with a flat iron in a long time, but this made it so easy. Okay, so stay tuned if you would like to see this look, and I will speak to y'all at the end of the video. I already applied heat protectant, so I start off with sections to make it a little easier, especially because it's a blunt cut bob. So now I like to start from the bottom, and at this point I didn't have like a clip to hold my hair up, so I just was taking pieces and moving pieces, but it would be easier if I had a clip at this moment, but I will have a clip later on. Okay, but yeah, I just take sections and then I just curl using this flat iron, and you just turn the flat iron, but you make sure the hair is turning as well as it goes through the plates, or you will not have a curl. That's why sometimes you see people curl with a flat iron and all they're doing is turning the flat iron, but they're not pulling the hair through the plates at the same time. That's how you get a curl, using a flat iron. So the best thing I could do is show you, because I know sometimes explaining it is a little bit hard to understand. But like I said, take your time. You know, if you don't do it right, you can always go in and do it over. I always like to start at the bottom. That's why, you know, it's just a little harder when you start from the top, because you have to go underneath. So always start from the bottom, and as you can see, you can see the hair texture changing because this flat iron is catching all the hairs, and that heat is straightening out this texture. This texture is actually YAKI. That's why you see all those like grids. But yeah, I have it on the highest setting, which is 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's because I want these curls to last. I didn't put any type of holding spray. This is the curls that was created using this flat iron. So this is a really good flat iron, and as you can see, my hair is not getting stuck in the plates at all. You see no shedding whatsoever. Okay, and I didn't want to, you know, show every single thing, so I skipped to the top of my head because it's basically repetitive. I'm doing the same exact thing. This side I just curl away from my face on this side as well. So none of the hair is, you know, coming to the front. All of it is being curled going backwards. And you might have a difficult time, you know, curling on one side of your head. It might be a little bit more difficult than the other side of your head. Like this side is more difficult than the other side of my head. That's why the curls always come out looser, but it still came out good. And if you mess up, like I said, just go back in and do it again. Now this created like a faux bang. By me doing it this way, it created a faux bang because I did not want to cut bangs. So this is a great way to have faux bangs. And I'm just going to take a comb and start combing through it because it is very, very tight. I don't like the way it looks, you know, to the front. So I just pushed it behind my ear on one side, and adding big hoops to it just gave it like a very girly, like around the way girl look. Very like 80s, 90s. So I'm feeling this hairstyle, and I'm gonna turn around so you can see the back. And as you can see, it's like kind of stacked the way the curls are. So it came out really, really good. It's nice and bouncy, and it has a very nice amount of hair. And curls always give you the illusion of having thicker hair. So yeah, these are my results, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So these are my results. I absolutely love the way this came out. I think it looks so cute. So let me know what y'all feel down in the comments. And yeah, I'm gonna have the links to this flat iron down in the bottom bar for you. Again, it is only $20. So don't forget to thumb me up, comment, subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I have a new upload. I will speak to you on my next video. Bye y'all.